Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Canheads. What are Canheads?
I do not know, but the person on the box looks a lot like you, Master Luke.
Like me? Really? Oh, he does kind of look like me. And look, he looks like you. Wow, it's Luke Skywalker and R2D2.
R2D2, I am not R2D2.
Oh, our Canhead is R2D2. Wow, I can't wait to open this up and get a better look.
But Master Luke, R2D2, we have to get him out now. He can't be in a box.
Let's use the Force to free him.
Wow, Master Luke, that was amazing. There's R2D2.
Wow, cool. But look, he is a little bit strange. That's because it's a Canhead. We've got blue Play-doh inside of R2D2. Look at this cool label. Play-doh Star Wars. R2D2. Let's open up the rest of the set.
Can you make everything appear again, Master Luke?
Sure can.
Why, Master Luke, it looks like you.
Haha, I think I'm more handsome. No, I'm more handsome. Let's see what color Master Luke is. He's orange. Yay! Let's see what else we have. Wow, that's a pretty cool ship. And look, we have a lightsaber. And we have an extruder. It looks like it must fit onto our ship. Let's use the Force to put our extruder on. Wow, Master Luke, that's amazing. And our lightsaber fits on our vessel. Here, I'm gonna ride.
Master Luke, someone looks a little bit upset.
Who's that? The person who's supposed to sit there. Woohoo! Okay, let's check out all the things that our ship can do.
Yay, sounds like fun.
Right, R2D2?
Yep, I agree totally. It's time to mold.
Let's put some Play-doh inside. Hey Luke, are you ready to blast off? Yeah, wait a second, who's gonna blast off? Me, of course, I'm the Canhead. We can make flame shoot out of his land speeder. Perfect for a fast takeoff. Okay, now that we've seen the extruder, we also have several different molds on the top and on the bottom. We can make C3PO and an Ewok. Let's go ahead and do that now. We'll start with C3PO. We'll use some orange because that looks kind of golden.
You're very little.
You're very big.
Yes, that's true.
Okay, now let's make an Ewok. Pretty good. Let's make another Ewok. Wow, that one turned out really good. Much better the second time around. Okay, let's see what we can make on the top. Cool. We're all ready, Master Luke. This set is a lot of fun.
Thank you guys for watching our video. Subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.